Listen to the dialogue and watch the video. Hi, Tom. What do you know about the World Heritage Sites? Hi, Dima. I know that there are many of them all over the world, both in Europe and Asia. There are also many sites that are endangered as there are crowds of tourists visiting them daily. You are right. I think that deterioration of monuments can also be influenced by other factors. Like what? Armed conflicts, natural disasters, pollution, and other environmental problems. That's right. Fortunately, many attempts are being made to stop the monuments from deteriorating.